we added our water and glycerin. Okay, this is our phase 1. In this second container, we added emulsifying wax, which is our emulsifier, our co-emulsifier, which is cetyl alcohol. We added sunflower oil, and then we added our shea butter, which you can see here. So next, what we're going to do is that we're going to heat both of them up. Okay, so for instance, you know they say that water and oil does not mix. All these are oils and butters. All these are oils. Now, you know there's a saying that oil and water does not mix. But in cream production, oil and water can mix. And thanks to the emulsifiers and co-emulsifiers that we have added. All right. So we're going to heat up these two in what we call a double boiler method. So we're going to cover it with our foil, and we're going to put it in a pot. It's going to be indirectly, under heat, and we're going to heat both of them up. When they get to the when both are heated up well, when all this is melted well, when this is also heated well, we now combine both of them. All right, so let's cover them and let's go heat them up. Okay, so this is our pot that we've added some water, okay, that we're going to put on under heat. All right, and this is our water and glycerin mix. So we've covered it with foil paper and we're mixing it. We have to make sure that it doesn't pour. Steady. We might have to reduce the water. Okay, so it's now steady, because you want to make sure that when you put it under heat, it doesn't fall. Okay, so it is steady now. So this is our water and glycerin mix. Next, we have our various oils and butters. Let's see, is it going to be steady? No, it's not going to be steady, so we have to reduce the water. So let's do that. Okay, so both is sitting in properly, so we're going to put it under mild heat, not too high, not too low, but just medium heat. Okay, so let's go and do that. We have our, you can see it has melted. All right, it's ready, and our water and glycerin too is well heated. Okay, so let's remove our covering. Okay, next we remove this, and then we pour our water into our oil mixture, and you'll see how it emulsifies. That is what we call emulsion. Okay, that's what is called emulsion. Now what you can do is you can stir continuously with your hand, because it's a very small mixture, or we can use our hand mixer. Okay, so it has emulsified like milk. Okay, so because this is a small batch, this is just like 200 grams. Okay, you can stir continuously like this with your hand. You stir it continuously, like you can do it where there is the fan can be very close to you, because the essence of using a hand mixer is to allow air to enter. This is our hand mixer. Okay, this is a mini one. Okay, so we're going to put it into it to let it emulsify very fast. Okay, this is a small blend, so you can mix it with your hand continuously. All right, so let's use our hand mixer. Okay, so let's put it in.